Welcome to 1011 Beatty Road, Unit C3. This is a one-bedroom, one full bath apartment located in Northwest Columbia in the Broad River, St. Andrews area. We're inside. You can see the unit has been updated with luxury vinyl plank flooring mostly throughout, everywhere except for the bathroom. So you can see you enter off the hall into the open floor plan living, dining, and kitchen space. So you have the living room off the entry. Here you have a large window out towards the back of the property. There is some common area space out there as well. The parking for the unit is out front, and it's mostly unassigned spots, so just open. But there is a good amount of it. You can see that was a coat closet there on the left side as you enter, and then you have the opening to, it's open to the kitchen, counter bar, and the kitchen itself. We have an included refrigerator, above range microwave, electric stove, and dishwasher. And you can also see down this way you have your full-size laundry room. So you have space for a washer and dryer in there. It looks like it's configured for a stackable unit, but you may be able to put side by side in there if you arrange them differently, just depending on how long your hoses and cords and all those things are. But you do have some additional shelving and some good space in there also. And then the full bedroom, the primary bedroom, is a nice size. See, it has another window out towards the back, closet on the left here as you enter. And then you can see the bathroom there, which is a full bath. You have tile flooring in here in addition to tile in the shower. Nice large mirror and a single vanity and large countertop. And you can see the tiled shower and tub there. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, 1011 Beatty Road, Unit C3 in Northwest Columbia, convenient to I-20 and I-26. Riverbanks Zoo, downtown Columbia, and located just across the street from St. Andrews Park as well. So you can find out more about this home at sc.purepm.co.